So when I got my call that it was my turn to get my vaccine, I'm not gonna lie, I immediately prayed, and there was so many emotions. I cried, I prayed, and here I am. It wasn't a formal prayer, just a genuine, honest prayer between me and my Father. And I just asked God for his guidance in the direction. What should I do? I mean, you only have a few minutes to get there. And I'm a believer, and I'm standing on God's word. I trust him.
All right, guys, today's the day.
And I know that he has taken care of me all these years, and he will continue to do so. And of course, I prayed that there wouldn't be any side effects and that everything would work out. And so today's the day. Yeah, this happened.